Hi guys, and welcome back to your math lesson. I am Miss Moran, and let's go over what we're going to learn today. Today we're going to continue identifying numbers from 1 to 10 and counting objects from 1 to 10 and matching the number with the objects together, okay? And this is important because it's a skill that we are going to use for the rest of our lives. We need to know how many items we have, and we also need to identify the numbers, and we need to know that one thing goes with the number 1, okay? Like the picture shows, one elephant, that's number 1, and this is how we show it with one finger. All right, so I'm going to show you the activity, and actually the activity for today is actually your homework. So we're going to do it together, and then you're going to do it just like we did it together by yourself, all right? So let me show you that. Okay guys, this is what we're going to do today. We're going to count from 1 to 10, and we're going to use little cookies. Okay, so here's the first slide or the first page. And this little girl is saying, I want 1 cookie. And there's the number 1. And the cookies are here in the yard, and you can actually move the cookies. And we already have some help. We have a dot right here for 1, right? So we're going to put a cookie there, and we're going to say 1. All right? Then we're going to go to the next page. And this little girl says, I want 2 cookies. And there's a number 2. And they're helping us out, right? They have 2 little dots here, so we're going to grab 1 cookie, 2 cookies. All right. Then we're going to go, and guess what number it is? I want 3 cookies. So we have 1, 2, 3. We're going to grab 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. What do you think is the next number? 4. So it says, I want 4 cookies. That's what the little boy says. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 dots. So we're going to move the cookies. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to the next slide, and the next slide says, I want 5 cookies. And there's a number 5. So we have 5 dots too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to put 5 cookies down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to the next number, and it's number 6. The little girl says, I want 6 cookies. And we have the number 6 right there, and we have 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're going to put 6 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're doing your homework, that's how I want you to do it. Each time you put a cookie, you say the number. You say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't just want you to just move cookies around. That's not going to help us learn our numbers and count our numbers, okay? So when you're doing that, you're looking at this number so that you remember what 6 looks like, and you're counting each cookie as you put it down, just like I'm doing it right now, okay? All right, so we're going to the next slide, which is 7. And the little boy says, I want 7 cookies, and that's how number 7 looks. And then you're going to count your dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and now you're going to put your cookies, and you're going to count your cookies too. So just like I'm doing it right now, that's how I want you to do it by yourself at home. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Going to the next number, the little girl says, I want 8 cookies. And that's how number 8 looks like. And now we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're going to grab the 8 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, we're going to the next one. And the little boy says, I want 9 cookies. And there's a number 9. And that's how you write number 9 right here. 9. So let's count our dots. Make sure it's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is correct. So now we start with our cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oopsie. Let's fix that one. Okay, so guess what's our last number? Look at it. What number is that? 10. Good job. So the little boy says, I want 10 cookies. and there's number 10, and we're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so we're going to move the cookies. We're going to count again the cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, oopsie, oops, 8, 9, and 10. Yes, we did it. Yay. Okay, so that's going to be your homework. Pretty easy and pretty fun, right? I hope you like that. So now before we go, let me show you what we learned today. Okay, and so today in math, we learned how to identify the numbers and how to count, right? And we also matched the number to the objects. So if it was number 3, we put 3 cookies. And we also counted the 3 dots to make sure everything matched with the number, right? Why is this important? Well, this is counting and recognizing numbers is very important because it's a skill we need, okay? So we need it right now as a kid, and we need it as an adult as well. We need to learn how to count things and how to identify numbers, okay? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. One reminder, if you didn't do the numbers and the shapes, the very first video, go back and look at it before or you can do it after your homework if you haven't done it. But don't forget to do it every day. I need you to go over the numbers and the shapes every single day, all right? And the exploration rooms, those are optionals, Mom and Dad. Los cuartitos que dice exploration room, eso son muchos videos de números y no lo tiene que hacer, pero es algo divertido para los niños. O si lo quiere hacer ya al último o al final del día se acaban algo temprano, o si le quiere dar un break, entonces lo puede meter ahí porque tienen demasiados videos. No quiero que pasen mucho tiempo ahí, es solamente opcional. Es bueno para ellos porque son videos educativos, pero no tienen que estar ahí mucho tiempo si usted piensa que se está tardando mucho para acabar la tarea. Lo puede usar más como para un break o mientras que usted está ayudando a los otros niños que ellos lo miren, ¿ok? Muchas gracias. Alright guys, I will see you next time and I hope you like your lesson today. Bye bye.